Hello. Little review on an Airsoft helmet. Emerson, I think it's called a fast helmet. But the reason I like these ones is because it's got built-in goggles. Which is the actual reason I got it. I wear prescription glasses and I thought this might be a good idea. I've tried wearing glasses underneath paintball mask, steams up quickly. I've tried these with prescription lenses, pretty good. But I thought I'd have a go. I wanted a helmet and I thought I'd have a go and try and put my normal prescription glasses underneath this helmet that has got a built-in visor. And it worked absolutely brilliantly. I could see. It's always good when they're airsofting. So, I got this one off eBay. The seller's actually been removed, so I can't remember who it was from. I got it for £30 including postage from Hong Kong. I don't know what they're going for at the moment. Have a look if you like the look of it. This is some extra pads, you know, for different sizing, and they just stick into here on little Velcro pads. Pretty comfortable. It's just a toy. It's not meant to protect your head particularly, but you know, there's a little bit of foam around it, so it'll stop you bumping your head. But it's just designed as a toy. So we've got the Velcro for different badges and things. I've also got a little camera which I can stick on there. You got your rails. You've got clips in here for your goggles. I'll show you what I've done in a minute. I've done something a little bit different to put my mask on. Adjustable strap. It's adjustable in all sorts of ways, so it's quite good. And like I say, the goggles are brilliant. I haven't actually had them hit yet with a BB, so hopefully it'll be alright. I just looked on the website and you can get extra goggles. This website, www.yzh, and if you type in that it comes up with some goggles, EM8817, a few different, you know, clear, yellow, mirrored, tinted, and you can put those in your helmet. So if it does break, at least you can get replacements. Night vision, say rail, torch, lasers, whatever you fancy. Ear protectors can come off of it. Now what I've done with mine, I've got a mouth guard, face guard, and I've used the clips, and I've just put a Velcro strap, cut this elastic bit off, put a Velcro strap so it's adjustable. It's not elasticated, but you could just put a piece of elasticated string on it and you'd be able to move it around on your face a bit. Clip, clip. And on your face it works good. Or if you have that going over the goggles actually, like so. I'll show you it on the face in a moment. And on top of the glasses as well. But that works well. Okay, so I'll aim the camera at me and you can have a look at my ugly mug with a helmet and mask on. Hello. Okay, so these glasses are a bit big to go under the visor, so I bought some very cheap prescription ones, small as I could get. You can get slightly smaller, but these are small enough. So I've bent them a little bit to get them back here, because the visor is quite tight, which it needs to be, you know, so you don't get your eyes shot out. So, on helmet, I've removed the pads at the back just so it pushes the helmet forward a little bit, because like I say, the visor is quite tight over the glasses. I don't want to scratch the inside of the visor. Okay, so I'll put my mask on as well. So like I say, I probably won't be able to find it now. I'm actually looking in front of the mirror, so it makes it a little bit easier. So I usually put this over the top of the glasses. Like I say, this isn't particularly adjustable, but you could put it on with some elastic string instead. But that works well. You know, it's not too tight. It's great. I'm pleased with that. Right, now the visor, so my goggles are in the visor, as I've already said. I'm just going to push the helmet forward slightly. There we go. There's a little bit of space around here, but no more than when you wear those. In fact, I would say a little bit less. So there we go. One helmet, one mask, with eye protection. You could put ear protection on as well if you wanted to, but I haven't done yet. No, I expect when I get shot in the ear, then I may do. I've been looking, you know, especially for you guys with prescription glasses. It's been a bit of a nightmare. I've, you know, like I said, tried the glasses underneath some goggles. I got some of these. I actually got some cheap glasses again. Oops. Some cheap glasses again, and put the goggles. Sorry, put some lenses. Put some lenses myself. I ground the lenses down and put them in here. And it's okay, although a little bit tricky. But if you want a helmet, you've got the goggles with it, and it's just nice, much clearer. So really, that was a waste of money for me, because I'm going to be using this. But at least they're spare prescription glasses. Like I say, you can get different lenses on the website. And there we go. Hope that's helped. I wish I'd have found this review before I started messing around with ways of being able to see whilst playing Airsoft. Thank you very much.